Okay, today we're going to be showing you our Nerf gun. So we got the... So here.
Tell the people's names.
We got Shaky here, bro. Come on. What's up, Mikey?
Hey, what's up, fam?
And then we got our young one, Daniel. Let's go.
What's up, OG?
Okay, so we got the N Strike Modulus. Yeah, me, Antonio. Modulus System. Yeah, I'll just read the freaking languages. Okay, in the back, so always shows what we have. Says choose firing mode. And it says store handle and clip arrangement board. Okay, there. Then we got camera's so blurry right now. I don't know what that says. 24 elite bullets. If you guys are wondering what's that says that's a tactical light. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get all three of these. The storage shield. Then we're gonna get that gun. But
do you want to try them?
we were gonna get those, but didn't get them this year. Mom says she's gonna take us to the store and get them, so I can get them. But we're gonna see it. We're gonna see. So we're gonna be shooting some guns today, all right? You feel me?
What we mean, not real guns, you guys. Just little Nerf
guns. So let's go, guys. Get your guns ready.
My gun.
Get your gun, Daniel. Bro, get your gun. Come on. Bro, get your gat.
Well, let me see your gun. Get the cat. Did I get my gun?
Where is it?
Okay, guys, so we got something good for you coming.
My bad, I got a cold.
We all got a cold this week. So we're going to be test trying these guns.
Hey, wait. Before I shoot mine, look at. Got the silencer. Got to that. Now look at it's a pistol.
And look at
And
this.
look at. And then my gun does this. Look at. Don't mind his gun. His gun is a little stupid. Let's see.
YouTube won't allow that.
As you can see, it clipped right in. And now look at this.
Please subscribe and hit that like button. Turn on your notifications too.
Subscribe, like,
and
turn
hit that
on your
bell.
post notification.
Click that bell.
Click that bell. Just that's one thing. And when we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna start doing giveaways.
We're gonna be giving out this guy. Let me find the other ones.
This guy.
Give me it.
Because inside out is wiggle whack.
We need to find all the people that we're giving out.
Okay, moving on from the giving out part.
We're gonna give these two away, and then 4 or 5 other more. Okay, so we're gonna be shooting today that globe. You see that globe? Can someone load my
Hey,
gun?
do you want to go first, Bruno?
I need to load my gun.
I'll go
Okay, here, I'll go first. Hey, look at my Nerf right here.
Did he get it?
I don't know.
I'm next.
I hit it.
No.
I hit it.
I'm next.
Yo, comment down below if you think I hit it, okay? Say yes or no if Antonio hit it. Okay, now we're going to be trying one more time. Down, move. Nah, that time didn't do it. Guys, so we're going to see you guys later now. We'll see you in the next video. Tomorrow we're going to have a Nerf gun at the park. Everyone's sick and tired right now. So yeah, peace.